Hello everyone, myself Parv, and in this video we will discuss about properties of matter and their measurement. There are two types of property of matters, physical property and chemical property. Let us discuss about physical property. The properties such as density, melting point and boiling point, color and odor are the physical property of the matters. These properties can be measured or observed if the identity or composition of the substance is not changed. For example, when Ag is converted into AgBr, then its composition or identity changes. Now we are not able to find the physical property of Ag from the compound AgBr. Now we will discuss about chemical property. The properties such as acidity, basicity, reaction and combustibility of a substance or matter are the chemical properties. These properties can be measured or observed if the chemical change in the composition of substance takes. For example, both H2 and Cl2 become more acidic when they combine with each other and form the compound HCl. In this case, the acidic property is observed after the chemical change because now these compounds become acidic. Now let's discuss about the measurement. For the measurement, we have some SI units. Let us discuss about them. 7 basic SI units. Physical quantity, their units and symbol. You can easily see on your screens. The above 7 units are the basic unit which everyone knows, but in science we use some prefix. These prefixes are mostly used in science and very less in day-to-day life. The most commonly used prefix that all knows are kilo, used with SI unit. For example, when we ask shopkeeper for 1000 gram of sugar, then we use term kilo. Instead of saying give me 1000 gram of sugar, we say give me 1 kg of sugar or 1 kilogram of sugar. These are some prefix you can see on your screen with the symbols. These prefix are used with different value of zeros, as you can see on the screen. Now we will discuss about some commonly used quantity. Mass and weight. Mass of a substance is the amount of matter present in it. Weight. It is the force exerted by gravity on an object. Weight is equal to mass into gravity. Weight is equal to mass and gravity. Suppose if an object has mass of 7 kg, then its weight is equal to 7 into 9.8 is equal to 68.6 kg. Volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object, so SI unit of volume is meter cube. Volume of a solution or liquid can be measured by using graduated cylinder, burette and pipette, etc. The volumetric flask is used for measuring accurate volume of liquid for laboratory experiment. Then graduated cylinder and beakers. Density. Density of a substance is the amount of a mass per unit volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. SI unit of density. SI unit of mass upon SI unit of volume is equal to kg upon meter cube. Temperature measures the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. There are 3 common scales to measure temperature. Kelvin scale used to measure in Kelvin. Celsius scale measure in degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale used in degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit scale measure in degree Fahrenheit. Here 180 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 100 degree Celsius or 1.5 Fahrenheit is equal to 1 degree Celsius. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can see the formula on your screen.